We are all different. Each of us has something special that helps us stand out from the crowd. For instance, our friends and family call us by our names, know our favorite foods, and understand our personal shoe style. We can be identified by all of those things. We call those things personal information because they are specific to you. Personal information can also be anything that tells others about who you are. This can include things like your age, email address, where you live, your birthday, and more. You use your personal information every day in real life and on the internet. When you write your name on your homework, log into a game, or email someone, you're sharing your personal information. Remember, personal information belongs to you, so it's important to keep it safe. Think of your personal information as yummy treats you'd want to trade from your lunchbox with your friends. It's okay to swap personal information with people you know and trust, like friends and family. You wouldn't want to swap your favorite treat with a stranger at the lunch table, would you? You also wouldn't want to give a stranger access to those treats without your permission. Strangers could use your personal information to trick you, and that could lead to harm. For example, if you give someone you don't know your address, they could try to come to your house. Or if you give someone your login information, they could try to log into your account. That may sound scary, but there's an easy way to protect your personal information. Only share personal information with people you know and trust in real life, like your friends and family. That'll keep you safe online. If you're unsure when to give out your personal information, ask a trusted adult. Keeping your personal information private is one of the best ways to keep yourself safe online.